Ayan, nakita niyo si Santa Claus umaakyat doon sa ano, kahit walang chimney. Uso dito yan sa Crystal River. Joke. This is the back road going to Ames on the Avenue. There is a middle school here, guys. Crystal River Middle School right there. Oh, look at all these trees. Huh? Can you see that? How spooky it is. Oh my god, but it's, well, for them it's beautiful, but for me it's spooky. My husband loves these trees, but for me, no. For him it's like romantic, but for me it's spooky. See? Pero maganda naman siya tingnan sa pag-araw. Ayan na guys, yung ano, restaurant na ano, pupuntahan namin. Yan, Ames on the Avenue. I'm just going to go across the street. Let's check this menu, guys. And the sandwiches. Ang daming tao ngayon dito ah. Pero hindi naman sila yung nagsisikipan. Maano lang. Marami lang ngayon kasi weekend ngayon. This is my latte. Yep. And that's Tom's macchiato. Look at this, guys, here. Look at all the chocolates they have. Oh my god, I like the center table piece. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Look at this, another Christmas tree. Laki ng angel nila. Ang gaganda ng kulay. Ano kaya ito? Parang ano, made of glass.
Spend a lot of my weekends on the couch, so with this job,
Oh, look at another Christmas tree. Look at that. Ang ganda ng decoration. Maliit lang siya na store, pero ang ganda ng mga ano nila, display. Para maganda itong centerpiece. Oh, diba? Ang ganda niya. Maliit lang siya, pero maganda dito. Look at this. Merry Christmas. This is the tea that I have. Look at this, guys. I just bought this one for our center table. Pero ginamit muna namin dito sa store. Dito sa aming ano, lunch. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Ito. So this is my lunch. Pecan chicken salad. And dear, what you have?
Roast beef.
Roast beef?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Okay. How are you?
I had a really nice lunch.
Yeah. It's nice. It's just a small place, but it's really nice inside.
I haven't had that potato soup for a year. I forgot how good it was. Mainly because it's really got a lot of potatoes in it.
I just want to make sure. Pauwi na kami. Balik na naman kami sa aming lungga. Going back to our cave.
Going back to our isolation ward.
Yeah. We're gonna be isolate ourselves again.
In quarantine.
And quarantine. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified of the new uploaded videos. Thank you so much.